Finally, this new branch is open.
What's this? A federal bank? We can't be having this. It competes with our state banks and has no place in Maryland.
Too bad we can't just tax them.
Or can we?
Alright, 100 towards maintenance, 50 for charity. And what's this? $15,000 to the state? What in the baby is this? This is unacceptable. I can't believe this is a load of money.
Hey man, there weren't any phones back then.
You're right. This is unacceptable. You have no right to tax our banks!
Yeah, we do. The Constitution's silent on the subject of banks.
Well, you see here, it doesn't say you can tax them either.
I agree with Maryland. No constitutional authorization, no bank.
What? I guess I'll just have to go to Supreme Court. You can't tax me! Just watch us. What are you gonna do about it? Sorry, sir.
It has come to my attention that there is an issue concerning the National Bank of Maryland. We, plan on hearing the plea of both the bank and the state of Maryland with no bias whatsoever.
Good evening, Your Honor. My name is Daniel Webster, and it is of my view that the Constitution of these United States do not allow for unfair taxes upon the National Bank.
I am William Pinckey, and it is the state of Maryland's view that the ruling of a bank is unconstitutional and that the tax is unfair and that it taxes all notes not chartered in the state of Maryland.
Oh, alright.
Although the National Bank is not a strictly passed law by Congress, it is implied in the Constitution, and therefore falls under its protection.
The states have no power, by taxation or otherwise, to retard, impede, burthen, or in any manner control the operation of constitutional laws enacted by Congress.
So, you were saying that Congress has the implied power to create a national bank.
Yes?
So the state has no power to tax the national bank, as by implied powers is a direct part of the national government?
Indeed.
I will take a moment to convey with my fellow judges. For the moment, take a brief recess.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time? And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows, only time? Can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run. The night goes on as I'm fading away.
Where is Daniel Webster? Dan!
Well, I think this case is already wrapped up.
Excuse me? What about state rights?
Well, in the Constitution, the rights of the state do not allow for the taxing of direct branches of federal government.
Indeed. The federal government can tax the state, but the state cannot rule over the federal government.
Preach.
Gosh darn it!
Well, let's head back in.
We have come to a verdict.
No! You'll have come to an agreement without me!
Fine, I have come to a verdict. The tax on the bank is invalid and must cease immediately.
$1,000 to the state? What the watermelon is this? This is a load of bologna with mayonnaise and I don't even like it!
The tax on the bank is invalid and must
Get it! I'm sorry.
Listen,
Well, I think this case is already wrapped up.
Excuse me, what about state rights?
go!
Well, I think...
Wait, no, we have to start to.
Well, I think this case is already wrapped up.
Excuse me, what about state rights?
Well, in the
No!
Well, I think this case is already wrapped up.
Excuse me, what about state rights?
Well, in the Constitution, the rights of the state do not allow for the taxing of direct branches.
Indeed, the federal government can tax the state, but the state cannot rule over the federal government.
Gosh darn it!
Well, let's head back in.
We did it!
Okay.